Do you wish to enhance your sexual health and wellness? Then you might want to tune in for the next few minutes. Today we're exploring the transformative power of Kegel exercises. These simple yet effective exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in sexual function. Strengthening these muscles can not only improve sexual health, but also significantly boost your libido. By regularly practicing Kegels, you can enjoy enhanced sexual performance and increased pleasure. Stay with us as we dive into the how-to of Kegel exercises. First things first, identifying the correct muscles is crucial for effective Kegel exercises. To get started, let's discover how to locate the pelvic floor muscles. These are the muscles you use when you attempt to stop the flow of urine midstream, or when you try to prevent passing gas. It's a bit like playing red light, green light with your bodily functions. Imagine you are in the restroom and you start urinating. Midway, try to stop the flow completely. The muscles you just clenched, those are your pelvic floor muscles. It's important to note, however, that this method should only be used for muscle identification and not as a regular exercise, as it can actually be harmful to bladder health. Also, ensure that you're not using your abdominal, thigh, or buttock muscles when doing these exercises. If you find these muscles tensing, relax and refocus on isolating just the pelvic floor muscles. Now that you've pinpointed the right muscles, let's learn how to properly engage them. Ready to strengthen your pelvic floor? Here's how to do Kegel exercises correctly. First, let's dive into the proper technique. Begin by contracting your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine you are trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. Hold this contraction for 4 to 5 seconds. It's crucial not to hold your breath. Keep breathing freely. Feel the muscles lifting and tightening. Next, relax these muscles completely for an equal amount of time, 4 to 5 seconds. This relaxation phase is just as important as the contraction. It allows your muscles to prepare for the next cycle and prevents fatigue and overtraining. Now repeat this cycle 10 times. That completes one session of Kegel exercises. Remember, the quality of the contraction is more important than the quantity of repetitions. Ensure that you're only using your pelvic floor muscles and not tensing the abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. Aim for 3 sessions per day. You can perform these exercises anywhere and at any time, while sitting at your desk, driving, or even during a commercial break when watching TV. The discrete nature of Kegels makes them a convenient exercise to integrate into your daily routine. Consistency is key. The importance of regular practice cannot be overstated. It helps in maintaining proper form and ensures that you're engaging the correct muscles. Avoid the common pitfall of using the wrong muscles, which can lead to less effective results. With regular practice, you should start noticing improvements in a few weeks. To get the most out of your Kegel exercises, consider these tips. First and foremost, consistency is key. Like any form of exercise, the benefits of Kegels compound over time. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine. Set a regular schedule and stick to it, perhaps incorporating them into your morning or bedtime rituals. This consistency helps strengthen the pelvic floor muscles steadily and effectively. Next, think of Kegels as part of a broader approach to enhancing your sexual health. Combine them with other exercises like yoga or Pilates that also focus on core strength and flexibility. This integration helps improve not just the pelvic floor, but also enhances overall sexual wellness and performance. While performing Kegels, remember to keep breathing. It's common to hold your breath during concentration, but free breathing ensures the muscles are oxygenated properly, enhancing the effectiveness of each contraction. Lastly, avoid the temptation to overdo it. Overexerting these muscles can lead to fatigue rather than strength. Gentle, regular practice is far more beneficial than intense, sporadic sessions. Incorporate these tips and you're on your way to a healthier pelvic floor. Let's quickly recap what we've covered about boosting your sexual health with Kegel exercises. First off, pinpointing the correct muscles is crucial. These are the same muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine midstream. Identifying and isolating these muscles is the first step towards effective Kegel exercises. Next, we delved into the correct technique for performing these exercises. It involves contracting these muscles for a few seconds, holding the contraction, and then relaxing. This should be done in a series of repetitions, ideally 3 times a day. Consistency is key here, as it is with any form of physical training. We also shared some valuable tips to enhance the effectiveness of your routine. Integrating Kegels into daily activities, maintaining regularity, and not overdoing it are all part of ensuring that your efforts yield the best results. Remember, improvement takes time and persistence. Keep at it, and thank you for tuning in.